Monitoring section. Now let's dive into the monitoring section of the MIoT interface. Here you can check the load status, which provides a live cutting graph for real-time insights into your machining operations. Next is temperature. Monitor the spindle temperature in real time to ensure optimal operating conditions. Finally, the SSV, or spindle speed variation, displays any fluctuations in spindle speed, helping you maintain consistent performance. With these features, the monitoring section ensures you stay informed and in control of your machine's performance. Now, let's explore the maintenance section of the MIoT interface. First up is periodic maintenance. You can schedule maintenance checks every 3, 6 or 9 months to keep the performance of your machines in peak condition. Next is autonomous maintenance, designed for daily checks by service operators. Routine tasks like filter cleaning, visual inspections and hearing inspections should be performed regularly and updated in the checklist, ensuring your machine operates reliably. With these maintenance features, you can proactively manage your machine's health, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Next, let's take a look at the guidance section of the MIoT interface. Here, you'll find the M-Code feature, providing essential programming assistance for operators, making it easier to set up and manage machine operations. In the help and support section, you can find contact details of a service team, including email and phone numbers for quick assistance. And with the scan to connect option, operators can easily reach out to service engineers by scanning a QR code with their mobile device for immediate support. With these guidance features, you'll have the support you need at your fingertips, ensuring smooth operations and quick problem resolution. Next is tool life. Here, you can track the lifespan of each tool with a graphical representation, ensuring timely replacements and reducing downtime. In the production target section, view shift-wise performance across 3 shifts. This includes program numbers, targets for each shift, and counts of completed tasks. And finally, the operation dashboard offers an overall report by shift, including power on time, operating time, cutting time, component counts, and reasons for rejections. Don't forget to check the machine information section for essential details like the model name, serial number, and manufacturing date, ensuring you have everything you need at a glance. With these performance metrics, you can gain valuable insights into your operations, driving efficiency and productivity in your machining processes.